Well, all right, y'all, here we are again. Me and Hayden are, once again, not very smart. So we're going out here in this Ohio snow emergency and tromping through the snow. Got us some snowshoes. We're gonna put on when the snow gets deep up here. And this might be a survival video, we'll see. Sucks when you can't get out and get anywhere, but I ain't gonna lie, I love the snow, man. This looks awesome.
People are still getting around. Trucks and TVs. Passed like 3 trucks, UTV, and there was only 1 car.
And it was stuck. Oh yeah, man, we got a bunch of snow overnight. I know we got it better than a lot of places in the country, but
I logged out this morning. There was just about 8 inches. Like
really?
1 3/4.
And we've gotten plenty of snow since.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been snowing non-stop. I'm sure everybody's aware of the storm.
Picked up like 1 inch in the sled just from it falling from the sky on the way here.
Wow. And that was what, an hour and a half?
Yeah, it took me about 45 minutes to get 1.8 miles.
That ain't bad. 45 minutes for 1.8 miles? It's about normal speed, man.
It's downhill and flat though.
Oh, that's true.
Going back, it's gonna probably be at least an hour.
Maybe Hayden will need a ride back.
Probably will make it. If anything, I'll only be able to get a ride to my road. My road's bad.
Your road's bad?
Yeah.
All right, well.
Shoot down my road. And then I took them off after I hit the main road. So it got back down to 2 inches like this.
Oh, there's a car behind us. Ah, that's gonna be the hard part. That's why we gotta be careful, because we can't even hear the cars creeping up on us. All the snow, and then plus the sound of dragging the sled is kind of masking it. So you would have thought he would have honked or something, but some people are too nice, like too nice Tony Matt. Yep, it's a cold one. That is for sure. My wife, along with probably lots of my family and anyone else that knows me, probably thinks I'm crazy. But this is worth it. This is so cool. It's been a long time since I've really went out and walked around in the snow like this, like around town. This is gonna be fun. Or it is fun. I can't wait to get the snowshoes on.
One of them sticks still in the river.
I'm sure some of them are. We got to get back and check our artifact hunting sticks at some point. It's been 6 months ago. We're just randomly walking around out in the country of New Paris, Ohio, where we live. So no really destination in sight other than just walking. Checking out the winter wonderland. Putting ourselves through some intentional suffering, see how much we can take. See if we can survive. So we're gonna cut up through the country here, circle around back into town and go pay a surprise visit to Jayla and Jonathan and Hayden's grandma, because she lives right next door to Jay and John. Got quite a bit of walking to do, being that we got this much snow. So this will be a good exercise. And then when I get home, I gotta shovel the driveway. Hayden centered that pull strap. Now it's pulling a lot better. Ah. All right, well, obviously we got to get them dialed in, but got the snowshoes on. Man, yeah, I can't get my right foot back and tightened far enough. I need something to sitteth upon. I see nothing.
Very shit.
For the land is barren of places to sit. All right. Hayden's really putting them to the test. And we've got a spot flattened out here to set up our hot tent, even though we're not setting up a hot tent.
Going straight down really sucks. I kind of want to get on that angle.
No matter what I do, I can't get my right foot dialed in to where my toe's not clipping the front of the snowshoe when I take a step. I think I'm gonna have to like sit down on the porch, dial them in there.
It just takes walking in them to break them in too. Like I had to cinch my right one down like 5 times all the way down the hill.
Really?
Just loosens up again when you walk. But then after they get that curl to them, that's how I could tell our snowshoes apart. Because mine had that curl to the straps already.
I thought you could tell them apart because yours were on bottom.
Well, I also did that. And that really makes them.
That's the only way I could tell.
It'd be stupid. I wonder how they would do across the ice.
Well,
I wonder if it would spread you out enough to not break the ice.
I think that's slush. So I think you step on that, you're going down. What is it? What is the temperature today?
Like 10, 11, 11. To 18 right now.
18? What's it feel like?
-2.
If it feels like -2, they should just say it's -2.
Yeah, probably. Hold on.
If it's -2, they should just call it -2. Oh shit.
Yeah, you wanna hit that pal, Richie. You don't wanna go in my tracks. They're slick. Like 6 sandbags over the tires. We made it full. We got our truck bed full of snow.
Once I get dialed in, man. Once I get these dialed in, it's gonna be awesome. And just so you know, my last video, I'm assuming it'll be the last video I posted, where I fell at kind of towards the end. I did hurt my ankle. That was yesterday, and it hurts. So I was being dumb, not paying attention, misplaced my foot. Now my ankle hurts. Let that be a lesson.
6.
Hey, you want to play a game of where's the real ledge? No, you have to jump. You can't stand. You have to jump. No testing.
Real ledge is right there.
Just a little game of where's the real ledge.
Play a little game of who breaks the ice.
More like a little game of who falls through the slush first. I don't think that's solid ice right there. Yeah, I think that's slush. I don't think it'd hold anything. Throw a rock out there on it. You see any little rocks? I say slush. What do y'all say? That's slush.
I'd say like the top of it is slush. I'd say there's ice under it.
Right there, if you look at the front there, it almost does look like the ice goes down to the ground on it. Well, only one way to find out.
Let's go down there.
Shoes on or off?
Gotta jump.
Shoes off.
Actually, I am waterproof.
Shoes off.
So I could just walk down in there.
Oh yeah, you got them big old wading boots on, don't you?
Yeah. I gave up on the leather ones today.
We're gonna find out if it's slosh or if it's ice. Hayden's gonna sacrifice himself to the cause.
But look, you loosen that top one like all the way, loosen the toe a little bit, loosen the side, and shake your foot out.
Just jiggle wiggle out.
Yep.
Bam, out in 2 seconds flat. Ice or slush, place your bets. Ice or slush. Looking like slush.
There's no ice in that at all.
I told you it was slush. Told him it was slush. Dude, I'm pretty much an outdoor expert, man. I don't know why you don't listen to me. And we are now off because Hayden's gonna do some Santa Claus surprises to some of his homies. Drop off some homemade eggnog, some wine, and some other things. Look at this.
Shout out to the dude that ran the truck through here.
No kidding. Shout out to the one guy who drove through here. Here comes a truck. Yeah. It's our local police department. I see another walker up in the distance. Can't tell what they're doing. Looks like they're just standing in the middle of the road. I'm getting hot. As hard as that might be to believe. My face and my beard is getting icicle.
I'm
Or my
burning up this
mustache.
whole time.
Do what?
I'm burning up this whole time.
But yeah, the rest of me's burning up. I don't want to take off my down jacket though, because then my shirt will start getting wet.
I chose to wear this jacket just so I would dry. I'm regretting it.
There's people out all over the place removing snow. There was like a Razor or Kubota or something that went the other way.
Oh, he was just fucking drifting.
Oh, was he just playing?
Yeah, he came out.
Buzzards be out. Out looking for non-survivors. Man, I just seen a hiker that went missing in Cuyahoga Cuyahoga National Forest was found dead over the weekend. So I just want to send prayers out to him and his family. It's a place I've been wanting to go for a while, and I was looking into it, which is how I found that information. So yeah, I just want to call that out, man. That sucks. Did we just turn down a ride? We sure did. We don't want to ride to the top of the hill. We're men. We walk.
Gotta get the satisfaction of it.
That's right. Do we want to ride? I'm offended. All right, so I think this is all foggy. The lens is all fogged up. It sure is. Stop by Jalen's to get warm for a little bit. Hayden's over there visiting his grandma. Yeah, man, my lens is all fogged up. That's better.
Peace.
You know it's cold when it fogs up the anti-fog lens.
Yeah.
But yeah, I get over here, see what Jalen's doing. It turns out she's doing what normal people do when the weather's like this. She's watching some TV. Do you know Ohio declared a state of emergency?
I know. I knew Indiana did last night. I didn't know Ohio did.
Yeah, Ohio did too. It don't take much to trigger a state of emergency these days.
Apparently not. But we're at what, level 2?
Yeah, and it's not very often we get snow like this, man. But it looks awesome outside, walking around. We went walking around out in the country, then walked back up through town. Looks incredible.
I think Deckard's getting gray, and I don't understand.
And he's about 3, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of about when them little white hairs will start poking through. Axel's had that one little cluster of white hairs on his face since he was like 3.
I know. No, he's had that since he was a puppy. Because
He's had it since he was a puppy?
Yeah, because what I thought had happened when Mom like painted the kitchen, he did like run into the wall and like paint got on him. So for the longest time I was like, that paint just ain't coming off. And then eventually it was like,
oh, that's white hairs.
that's white hair. Like that should have shed by now.
I remember him having the paint on his face. That's funny.
Did it?
You remember he would go outside and eat like piles of sticks and stuff?
Right, Dave, he doesn't like. What?
Little Donna busting freestyles. No, I don't want to get into the gross details of how we figured it out, but remember like Axel would just go outside and like eat sticks? That dog was something, man, when he was a puppy.
Yeah. He was a weirdo.
He was a weirdo.
Shocker.
Shocker. Shocker. All right, hung out with Jay for probably a couple hours there. Heading to the house. I'm gonna get the Jeep, go get some pizzas, and come back actually. So they're going to get a 4-wheeler here in a little bit. We're gonna pull each other around on sleds. That's gonna be a blast. So we'll catch up with you in a bit. It is cold. It is cold. Feels a lot colder after you've been inside getting warm for a little bit. And I'm like walking right into the wind. But I'll be home in just a few minutes. Get the Jeep warmed up. Go to the dollar store, grab some pizzas. Some dollar store delicacies. Head back to Jay's, eat, and hopefully have some fun with the sled and the 4-wheeler. You know, and walking like straight into the wind and the snow. Like all this snowflakes are going in my eyes. And it's driving me a little crazy. Can't even see the creek down there. Yeah, they're out having fun. Man, you can hear that thing for miles. Yeah, this is some snow, boy, and it's still snowing. It'll be snowing all night. Again, I know we got it a lot better than a lot of other places, but this is the most snow I've seen in a long time, which I think is awesome. I love it. I hate it for anybody that's not having the same experience. So it's a little cut around right up to my driveway. I don't ever walk through here, but being that the roads are the way they are, might as well take the shortcut today. So I'll be having a second. I'll probably turn this back on when we're riding the four-wheelers. 125. It'll pull, Johnny.
It kind of slides a little bit on the road back because of the snow, but... The other way. Turn it the other way. This way. Where you want it to go? Tell it down there or this way? Come on. All right, no.
It's definitely too heavy for that one.
It's better going downhill. Hold on, Mari.
Burr, dude. Burr.
Very burr. You're fine. What? You're fine. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Got it right here.
She probably feels like she's going like 70 miles an hour.
Always stop for a car. Hey, Okay? If you see a car, turn to the side and stop. Okay? Got it? Knuckles, have fun. Keep going.
You gonna ride that thing?
Maybe.
She pulled Hayden all the way down the street and back.
I know, I was surprised.
Yeah, I couldn't believe that thing pulled you back up the hill. I did not see that coming. The snow is still falling, y'all. It has been hours. I think I first started recording at like 11 today. And it's like 5. You have fun in the snow? No?
Did you eat it?
Is your mouth cold?
Are you trying to eat snowflakes?
There's a cardinal flying right there. That is bright red too. Look at that.
No. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, it flew.
That was the same one. It just flew from over there.
Oh.
The other one's like over here. I seen it in this tree. What you doing there, Johnny?
Build an igloo.
Building your little igloo there, are you? That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be real, real nice. We're gonna have us an igloo. Are you gonna go live in an igloo?
Okay, good.
And we lost Hayden and Carlos. Huh?
The red one.
I don't think they have one.
Hold on. Sledding where?
All right, so we're gonna tie these sleds to the back of this Suburban, and we're gonna pull little kids around cemeteries. Woo!
Sorry, Gab. That one. There.
Tie it to the Suburban.
We'll tie the other one onto this hand. Come on, Slowpoke.
Or you... Is it the double-ended rope, Dad?
Huh? John's got a totally different rope than the one that was in the back of my truck. How did he come up with a totally different rope?
Got the rope from his house.
Yeah, that is not the rope I sent him after.
Gosh, that is a close.
Yeah,
What?
just hold off. That because my kid's gonna be on one of these. Yeah. Will you open the? Well, yeah, I got it. Pull that sled back until it's
Just sit on it and hold on to Mari somehow.
Hold the sled back to the rope.
You're the one that volunteers to.
I know.
Okay, Mari, get on there with Jay. Keep pulling back.
You're gonna have to be
There
able
you
to
go.
turn, and if you can't turn, you're gonna have to yell at us.
Huh?
I'll have the windows rolled down. Just yell at me if you need me to stop.
Okay. I'm not that fast. Oh, God.
Be funny if somebody does call Joel over here. Yeah, they ain't hurt nothing.
Hopefully this is a day these kids get to remember, man.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, that's what Johnny wanted to make sure they had a memorable day out in the snow. We don't get snow like this that often. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're clearing the tree.
Just
right on the edge of it.
That's why I said I think we need to make the rope just a little shorter. It's like my knots are hanging in there.
Oh, they fell. They fell off.
Alright, come on, Carlos. No, hold on.
Wipe out.
Go on.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Don't lower you first. Here, hold up.
You're good.
Put that around your wrist.
Don't flat it because so much snow is coming up, it's just blasting you in the eye.
Alright, we're gonna do this. Go easy! Yep! Woo! Alright! Hang on! Hey! Hey, has he got glasses? Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Oh. Oh.
That wasn't too bad.
It wasn't too bad.
I mean, if you had glasses 100%, if you could see, I definitely want him to gun it, you know, if I had glasses and some shit. But unfortunately, we don't have that, so, you know.
All right, well, I'm going next.
Oh, no, you're not.
Uh,
Hey, if you have glasses, definitely glasses, because you can see it shit. You can't see.
Put the fucking thing over your face, pray, and I'll make sure you don't die.
You got glasses in that gate?
nope.
Tuck your feet in, Ricky. They're not on. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Woo! Blind trust, baby. Oh man. Woo! Yeah. Ah, this is freaking awesome. Oh yeah. That was awesome. You gonna drive so Carlos can go?
I'm driving.
Yeah, there he goes.
Hello.
So tell us, Jalen, what was your experience on the sled like?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
I'd give it a 10 out of 10 as well. That's a 20 out of 10.
Heck yeah. Complaining about it?
I have no faith
Go!
in Jonathan at all.
Shut
I
up,
have
Carlos.
no faith.
Oh, okay. So Johnny was the problem. Ooh, that snow is freaking coming in, man.
My fingers aren't in my gloves. My fingers aren't in my gloves, 'cause they're balled up in a fist to get warm.
Oh gosh, oh
Johnny's
gosh,
flying.
oh gosh. Does he even know where the freaking road is? Well,
Things went south.
things went south. Oh, your finger just got not in
Hold on,
your
I'm
glove.
getting them.
That's alright.
All right, man, that's gonna wrap it up for the weirdos outside today, y'all. Put God first, be weird out loud. Peace. We'll catch you on the next one.